In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable email notifications in Wrike. Getting the right emails from Wrike can keep you on top of work without clogging your inbox, and the settings are quick to tune once you know where to look. First, open your Wrike workspace and head to the left-hand sidebar. If it's collapsed, hover or click to reveal it so you can see your navigation and account controls. From there, look for your profile area, usually your photo or initials, near the bottom of the sidebar. Click it to open your account menu. In the menu that appears, choose Settings. This takes you to your personal account settings where you can control what Wrike sends you and how often. On the settings page, find and select Email Preferences. This section is dedicated to notification emails. Now, review the list of email types and check or uncheck the ones you want. Think about the updates that truly require your attention. For most people, enabling emails for tasks assigned to you, direct at mentions, and items shared with you is a good baseline because those events typically need action. You might also see options for status changes, comments on tasks you follow, and summary digests. Immediate emails are helpful for time-sensitive work, while daily or weekly digests are great for lower priority updates. If a category tends to create noise, simply uncheck it. You can always come back and fine-tune later. As you make choices, consider your workflow outside Wrike. If you live in your inbox, more real-time alerts may help. If you keep Wrike open throughout the day, you may prefer fewer emails and rely on in-app notifications. Also, keep an eye out for any newsletter or product update options if you want a quieter inbox. Remember, unchecking an option doesn't disable the event in Wrike. It just stops the email, and you'll still see it in your inbox and notification center. Aim for a signal-to-noise ratio that supports your priorities. When you're satisfied with your selections, click Save Changes. This step is important. Your preferences won't apply until they're saved. After saving, Wrike will use your new settings for future notifications, so your inbox reflects exactly what you've chosen to receive. That's it. You accessed the sidebar, opened your profile menu, went into settings, selected email preferences, chose the notifications that matter, and saved your changes. If your needs shift as projects evolve, return to this same spot and adjust anytime. Thanks for watching, and I hope these email preferences help you stay informed without the overload.